I'm gonna go alligator hunting, I guess, right now. See if I can find that alligator. I'm not gonna hit you. Jeez Louise. Good morning. I had a great night, slept good. I'm going to see about taking that guided tour of the caverns this morning. I'm gonna call and see what time they do that. I try to get a shower in this morning and work out, and then hit the road. A little bit of a mess. I need to clean up. I messed around with this light and I could not, the magnet sticks out farther than the stickers, so I'm not able to stick it up there like I had planned, or even any place really. I can't use the stickers because the magnet sticks out. About taking that tour, I don't know what time it is. Oh, it's getting late. And I don't have any food. I'm basically out of food, so I think I'm hungry actually, so I'm just gonna have a spoonful of peanut butter to get me started. Or a fork full of peanut butter. I'm just trying to use these up and then get rid of them and only use my regular silverware. So I have about an hour. I think I'll go take a shower. So 9 o'clock, and they run about every half an hour, I guess. I'm gonna go tour the caverns before I get on the road. Shower time. Okay, so I'm too late for the 9 o'clock because I went to the wrong place. I have to go to the gift shop. I didn't even know they had a gift shop. I'll be able to do the 9:15 tour. That's good. I can put some things away. Typically, I don't like tours. I don't want to do tours. I like to go off on my own, but I'm sure it'll be fun. I'm sure it'll be nice. Cave tours. Alright.
So be sure you remember the rules, especially number 1, no touching.
Okay, I guess now we have to duck.
There you just want to stick with one Alrighty, y'all.
Mess. I'm not claustrophobic. I don't have that issue. I think it's more that, I don't know, I think they all look the same to me. They all look a little bit the same. But while I was there was talk about an alligator. I haven't had very many steps, so it's a pretty slow paced walk in the caverns. It was nice. It was nice. But I'm gonna go alligator hunting, I guess, right now. See if I can find that alligator. Just for fun. I'm not gonna hit you. Jeez Louise. Got honked at by a big bus driver. Thought I was gonna hit the bus. I wasn't gonna hit the bus. I saw the bus. I'm looking for Blue Hole Spring. Wow, there's a fish right there. Let's see if I can zoom in a little. They claim there's a little alligator in this spring, Blue Hole Spring, I think is what it's called. It's very pretty. It's beautiful. The water is so clear. Over here, anyway. I go check out this bridge. I think it said it's 64 degrees year round. And I have no idea where the alligator is. No luck finding the alligator, but I'm very hungry, so I'm gonna leave the park, and first place I can find to grab a bite to eat, I'm eating. I have, oh gosh, 4 or 5 hours to go to my next stop. So I'm just gonna listen to some music and eat. Wendy's burger, and I decided not to eat it on the road. That can be a little messy. I couldn't help myself. I'm sure I'll regret it, but already done. It's already done.
We have two entrances. This entrance has nature trails and camping.
Okay.
Our other entrance has the head springs, the glass bottom boats, and nature trails along the river.
Okay, maybe I should go to that one.
All right, so do a U-turn around my building, go
Okay.
back out here to the stop sign, take a right, go up to the light, take a right, big sign on the right.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
Turn left onto Northeast 33rd Street.
Silver Springs in Florida. I'm really pretty late, so I don't know how long I'm going to stay. The water is beautiful, very clear. Take this boardwalk. Gosh, this is so pretty. It says we're not supposed to feed the monkeys, so I guess there are monkeys around. It's a wonderful walking path. I'm gonna get my steps in for today, right here at this park, I guess. So that'll be good. I'll be done for the day. Okay. I guess there are monkeys around. This is the boat area. I'm going to come back here and do this. Let's see, it looks like there's a trail over here I'm gonna check out. Hiking trail. I should go see more of the park, so I'm not sure how long I'm going to hike down this trail. It's really not that buggy out. There's so much more of the park I want to see, so I'm just gonna go back. Glass bottom boats. I am now leaving Silver Springs. It was a nice stop. I've been wanting to come here for a long time, so I'm happy I know what it is now. And I will definitely come back and probably do some kayaking or glass bottom boat, or both. Maybe I'll do both. Dig under my car and see if I can find something rattling. I don't know what it could be. Sometimes I see people driving with their fender flapping in the wind, and I keep thinking, I hope it's not that. I don't have a loose fender, but I don't think so. I'm gonna get dirty. Darn it. Yes, I got dirty. I wish it was a very easy fix. Just not sure what it is. It's rattling. I don't know. Might have to take it in. getting very close to the ocean.